Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to target one of the Italian university and the deadline is also approaching around 4th of August, right? That's University of Europea di Roma. And here I'm going to show you this sheet of Excel, right? Where you can see the links as well as the name of university that still have their time to so that you can apply on this, right? So today I'm going to target the University of Europe di Roma with the deadline of August for 2025 and the with no application fee at the same time, right? So I hope that you all will apply in this university because at least it is having no application fee. And this is the universe and link, and I will also uh, put this link in the description of this video. You can check it out right later, and if you just click, it will redirect you on this university portal or web page, right? And you can also check. I have opened another tab like for this of this University of Europea di Roma, and you can check about the university and the degrees and all about the international things and research on what research thing and topics they are doing working, right, and about the students and graduates as well as contact as well. Or you can scroll down to know about more such things. So I will tell you about this. So as you when you click on this link, right, you will be redirected on this web page. So if you want to read this, you can translate, right, and you can translate. So as I translated this, so in the down when you scroll down, so you can see notices and calls and all these things. So notice of July for as well as, so this one is called for PhD XLI cycle English version, and the deadline for the application August for 2025 at 12 p.m. according to Italian time, right? So you can so in this video I will tell you about the general, right, not going deep in the application full procedure, but I will let you know, tell you about what's the process. And so in this, you can click on this guideline, right? You will be redirected on this PDF. So the problem is this PDF is in right Italian, right? So what you have to do, you have to download it. Once you get it, so you can translate it. How you can come into Google Translator, right? As when you reach on this, you have to select the file like this. As I have selected this file, so I will just do the translate, right? It will do direct detect language, and then you have to select the language in which you want the translation, right? And after this, you have to download this. As I had already done with that, so I'll just go into the PDF that I already translated. I guess so it is. Yep. So actually, the link like this have two guidelines. You can check it later, right? And this is the one that I had translated. So you can see here they have provided you with the step-by-step guide. Like first of all, the method of authentication. You have to log in into the portal, right? And after this, you have to complete the in case of login, and then the user select of reference institution and redirected to the relevant credential every page. It means that you have to first make an account, right? After making an account, you will have to do the filling the information in the required section when you will go back in the dashboard, right? It will include the personal data, the PhD course that you want to enroll, the qualification declaration and other attachments, right, and other personal data. And here you have to select the course as well as the other domains in which you want to study, right? And these are about some of the requirements, and I prefer that you guys must go through all this, and in this way you will get a better version of knowledge, and after having a translated version into English language. So you have to go through all of this and you have to attach documents, right? But in this case here, like you can see firma manual or handwritten signature, you have to take a white paper and you have to uh, do the signature on this white paper and then click and make it a PDF, and then you have to upload. This is the procedure because they have clearly mentioned that no digital signature, right? So after doing all of this, you will get a confirmation email. After getting a confirmation email, your application will be done, right? Thank you so much. Regarding this, I will going to upload the related videos of other Italian studies soon, right? Thank you so much.